Hi guys, tonight we're going to be showing you the Reolink unboxing here. This is the NVR, the 8-channel IP camera NVR. So we're going to be unboxing this and showing you exactly what's inside. So this is the NVR, comes in a box. It's pretty small, as you can see. This one is the 8-channel NVR. We're going to be installing this and setting this up. Small, pretty small, compact, easy to use. This is the NVR here, and these all stuff that comes in the box. Comes with a HDMI cable, comes with the instruction manual, and set it up. Comes with your mouse, your power cord, and also an Ethernet cable. You can connect it to the internet. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this NVR. You can set this up inside your house. I'm going to show you the software on your phone. This NVR comes with 2 terabytes of hard drive storage. It's pretty amazing. Easy to set up, easy to install. So you plug all your cameras into here, that is into the network. You can plug VGA into your monitor, or you can plug HDMI. You can also plug your mouse in the back here, and if you have an external audio source that you want to record, you can also do it here. This is your on and off, and this is where your power adapter goes. Thank you for watching.